Okay, 100%. Look at that. I am very impressed with the results that we got here. And I'm gonna start on the next wing. Let's see how this comes off the build plate. I do not want to break it, obviously, but as you can see here, it is perfectly hollow on the inside, and it turned out pretty impressive. All right, it has a lot of bend to it, so we'll see how that affects stuff, but it looks like it's going to be pretty sturdy. So that is fantastic, guys. We will go and bring this inside and take a look at how it looks compared to the one that was built on the on the Cartesian style printer, and we'll see it's nice that this thing, because it's Delta, doesn't get knocked off the build plate and stuff.
Likey.